What's the meaning of character code? Character code. Character code.
Character code. Character code. A character code is a numerical representation of a character used for digital communication and storage of text. It assigns a unique number to each character in a computer's character set, enabling a computer to recognize and display text. The most common character code system is ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, which assigns codes to English letters, numbers, and symbols. Other character code systems include Unicode, which covers more languages and characters, and EBCDIC, which was used in older IBM computers. Without character codes, computers would not be able to display text and communicate with each other.